G'day punters, just doing this short video on the catch can I've had installed in my Land Cruiser and a baffle plate as well. This is done by a local diesel mechanic, CRD Tuning Australia Proprietary Limited. I don't think they operate anymore. They did the original tune on this Land Cruiser as well, but this is the catch can they fabbed up for me. It's full of stainless gauze, which I suppose separates or attempts to separate the oil from the fumes. A little drain plug down the side here. See, it's got a little knob. And now the baffle plate, it's on top of the tappet cover. You can see it's just installed in there. That's the aluminium plate. I'm not going to pull it off, but the way it was described to me by CRD Tuning was there's a timing chain down here and it splashes oil, and some of the oil gets, well, originally got circulated back from the breather down into the inlet down here. So the baffle's just there to try and reduce the amount of oil that's being splashed up and being picked up by the breather before it goes into the catch can now and down into the inlet. I've emptied the catch can on this 3 times since it was installed. It's probably done probably 120,000 K since it's originally installed. The first time I emptied it out, it was pretty full. The second time I emptied it out was last year on a trip down south, and it was probably half full at that stage. A third time it was emptied out was just recently at the 140,000 K service, and it barely had any oil in it. Anyhow, that's really the substance of this video, just talking about the custom catch can and the baffle plate. I don't know if anybody else fabs those up or produces them. Anyhow, I'll catch you later, punters. Hooroo.